Hello everyone, I got a new book. It's called Buckle Up by Stephanie Scott. It is a magnificent book of how we imagine to take a car and drive to a beautiful destination in the countryside. Buckle up. Hi, I'm Mimi. Yes, I am a bird. I'm going to be flying right beside you to guide you through a little road trip as you take up the driver's seat. You might be thinking, me? Drive? But I'm only a child. We will be driving only with our imaginations, of course. We are going to use our imaginations as we buckle up and pretend to go on a road trip to a beautiful destination. Now remember, stay calm and be alert at all times. Life may throw some curveballs, but together we can conquer everything. Are you ready? Breathe in calmness and breathe out any fears or worries you may have. I am right here to help. Let's use our checklist to make sure we have everything ready to go. Mirrors in place? Check. Tank full of gas? Check. Lighters working? Check. Wipers? Check. Navigation system on? Oh, wait, that's me. Alright, take a spot in the driver's seat and buckle up. Sometimes life has some bumpy roads, and at the other time, life has a nice route along with a lot of pretty scenery. Let's navigate through these roads together, keeping in mind that you always have control of the steering wheel. It's time to get out of the driveway. Make sure you take a deep breath and be aware of your surroundings before you back up. Being prepared is always important. Use your mirrors. Be sure to use the signal lights to communicate your plan to others. Now, let's get on the road. Easy does it. You are doing just fine. Caution! It looks like there are some speed bumps ahead. You may feel nervous or a bit frustrated with the bumps on the road, but you can handle them. Just make sure you proceed with caution. Remind yourself, we will get there when we get there. Safety comes first. Brace yourself as we make our way slowly over the bumps. Remember, if you are feeling a bit uneasy or scared, you can always pull over to the side of the road and take a break. Brain bake station! Eek! It's starting to rain. Make sure you put your wipers on to wipe away the water so that your view is clear. Prepare yourself. Remember, after a rainy day, a rainbow must come out to play. There we go. The rain has stopped. Take a deep breath and let's keep going. Maybe we will find that rainbow. There's a little bit of fog appearing. Make sure you turn on some fog lights so you can see more clearly. Great job! We made it through. Look ahead. Here comes a bit of a winding road. Make sure both hands are on the steering wheel and your eyes are focused. Take 3 deep breaths to relax your hands and feet. Make sure your hands are gripping the steering wheel comfortably. Great focus. Ah! Finally, a nice smooth road. Take in this moment Be aware of your surroundings and be proud of yourself for getting this far. Uh oh, yellow zone, stop. There, there's a duck crossing the road ahead. Sometimes waiting can be a bit annoying. Use this time to think green thoughts as we wait our turn. Green thoughts are helpful and positive thoughts that help us make good choices, such as I am patient. I can wait. Thank you for waiting. And now we are back on our way. Distance, I see a beautiful park with a nice pond and a play area. Would you like to go? Great! Let's keep going. Don't forget to check your rear view mirror and be mindful of the signs on the side of the road. There, seem, there seems to be a bit of traffic along this street. Make sure you give some personal space in between you and other vehicles. Sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming, all of these vehicles in around you, and there may even be some honking that you hear. But remember, it is only temporary and you will get through it. Stay calm. The traffic seems to be easing up. Stay focused on your destination. To get there, we will get there soon and safely. What's that noise? Choo! You're right. I think it's a train. There's a train crossing ahead. Let's make sure that we stop and give some distance between the car and the train so that everyone is safe. It's just like giving some personal space between your car and other cars or between yourself and other people. You may cover your ears if it is too loud for you. Looks like there's a little detour coming up. There are few options we can follow. Let's stop, think, and choose what we want to do so that we can make a decision. First, stop. Calm down and take a slow, deep breath. What are you feeling? Let's think about our options and if there are any consequences to them. Now, let us choose the most positive and helpful option. Way to go! The green path is it. Okay, we are getting closer. There's a bridge for us to go over to get to the other side. We see green grass and a river flowing very calmly. We roll down our windows all the way and feel a nice breeze. The warmth of the sun shining on our arms and face. We smell some yummy food that people are barbecuing nearby. Yum! What other scents do you smell? Slow down. We approach the bridge. There's a stoplight on the other side. It's turning yellow, so let's approach slowly. Now the light turned red, so we need to stop and be patient. Good job! After we count to 20 slowly, the light will turn green. When it does, let's go. Home stretch. We are just about there. As we are pulling into the parking lot, we notice some colors in the sky. It's a rainbow! In fact, it's a double rainbow for extra luck. It reminds us that there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Arrived at destination. We made it. You did it with great determination. It's time to unbuckle your seatbelt. Let any red, unhelpful feelings go. Stretch it out and breathe in the fun that is waiting for you. Repeat to yourself, I am in control. I can navigate through anything. Oh, by the way, here's a delicious popsicle for you before you go out to play. It's quite refreshing after a long road trip, I must say. High five for getting here safely. Have a tweet terrific time. Tweet, 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 tweet. I really liked the book. Every time I read it, I felt as though I was in the car. I wish the story was real and I could go driving around to places. Thank you.